I want the next generation to know that we didn't just emerge out of the South Bronx. That we have a long, rich history.
Actor Liza Colón-Zayas came to me hoping to learn about her mother's family tree. We started one generation back with her grandfather, a man named Pablo Marrero Almestica. Pablo was born in Puerto Rico in 1905. In his youth, he struggled mightily to support himself, moving from job to job in an economy that had been devastated by the Great Depression. Finally, when he was in his 30s, already with a wife and children, he joined the U.S. Merchant Marines, a decision that transformed his life.
Name in full, Pablo M. Almestica, fire and water tender.
Pablo M. Almestica. So you know what you're looking at.
Yes.
There's your grandfather working on a ship called the SS Black Eagle. What's it like to see that ship?
I never saw full pictures of him on the ship. I would see, there were pictures of him down in the basement working on machines or in his little bunk on deck posing. But I never saw, wow, the size of this.
Though it brought stability, Pablo's job was very hard on his family. When he wasn't on a ship, he was rarely able to return to Puerto Rico, as his base was now New York City. The situation became so stressful that Liza's grandmother eventually decided to join him in New York with their children. Did you know that?
I knew that, my mom didn't really know her father until she was 11. Because he had been away at sea all of those years. So she was confused as to who this man was and telling her what to do and all.
Don't you have a ship to catch? We now turn to Liza's deeper roots and discovered something surprising in the marriage record of her grandfather's father, Pablo Marrero Adolfo.
Natural son of Juliana.
Natural son of Juliana. Do you know what that means, natural son?
No. I assume gave birth to him?
It means his mother was not married at the time of his birth. There were two categories, legitimate or natural. And natural means the mother was not married to the father of the child.
Wow.
So your grandfather's father was, as we say, born out of wedlock. Did you have any idea?
No. This is a wild ride.
It is.
This is... Wow.
Our story was about to take a somber turn. Juliana was not only a single mother, she was also enslaved. Records show that she was born into slavery on the island of Guadeloupe, and then, as a young woman, brought to Puerto Rico to work in the household of a sugar planter. Though Liza knew that slavery had played a significant role in Puerto Rico's past, seeing it connected directly to her family with such specificity was profoundly emotional. Did you ever think that you would learn the name of an enslaved ancestor?
I thought I might. But it breaks my heart and I'm crying, not because it's a total shock to me. It's because now there is a name to this person.
Oh, yeah.
Ugh.
We had one more name to share with Liza, the name of the man who fathered Juliana's son. He was called Amadé Marrero, and this was especially meaningful to Liza because Amadé was a nickname that her grandfather chose for himself.
That's where you got the nickname?
That's where he got the nickname. And there is your grandfather, bonding to this family tradition, bonding your grandfather is bonding to his grandfather.
So that would make Don Amade my
Great grandfather.
That's wild. That's wild.
How do you think your mother will react when she finds out about all this?
Yeah. I gotta come over with a bottle of a coquito, and we're gonna have to sit in. Her whole reality is gonna get shaken.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.